Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can see, I just finished this look. It's going to be a tutorial, yay! A basic dear. I actually planned to do like a makeup tutorial for Halloween, but I'm too busy at that moment, so I can't really film it. So I decided to film for Christmas. It's simple, it's easy, but it looks good, you know? Yeah. So if you guys want to see me make this look, just keep on watching. Hi, so first up, of course, moisturizer. I'm just going to put it all over my face, like so. Just blend it in. Next, I'm going to put this primer on my face. Just a heads up, all the products will be listed down below. Going straight to the brows, I'm going to use my brow wiz in the shade chocolate and just do my brows. We're going to start with the eye makeup, so I'm going to use my concealer just to prime my eyelids. Then I'm going to set my eyelids with translucent powder. So the palette that I'm using today is from Huda Beauty. And as you guys can see, I'm going to start with the crease, dipping it out and everything. All the colors that I use is going to be shown on the screen. I'm going to use the same concealer to, make kind of like a cut crease, but not really moment. Then I'm going to pack this shade on the concealer area. Moving on to the eyeliner, like so, and then I'm just going to take a makeup wipe to wipe the excess off. Also putting like an extra primer on the area. For the base, I'm going to mix my CC cream with my concealer and then just put it all over my face and blend it in. Then for my under eyes and everything else, I'm going to use my NARS concealer. Then I'm going to bake and set my face with my two Laura Mercier powders. I'm baking with the translucent one, and I'm going to use the rest of the face using the compact one. Next, brow gel. After brushing off the baking, we're going to continue doing our lower lash line with the same colors for the crease. We're also going to extend the liner to the corner of our eyes. For the waterline, I'm going to use this Makeup Forever pencil, and then we're just going to continue straight to the lashes. I kind of want to use more dramatic lashes, but I only have this one, so we're just going to work with that. Then we're going to contour using this Bobbi Brown bronzer. We're going to accentuate our nose more, making it more deer-like. It's time for face paint. don't worry guys, the brush is clean. The kid from my homestay just knocked while I'm doing this. It's not even done, but they got me Wendy's. Thank you. This is my dinner tonight. With the face paint, we're just going to make circles around our face and neck. For the nose and the lips, I'm going to start off by outlining it with my black eyeliner and then fill it in with black face paint. Using this shade, I'm going to put it on the bottom lip just to spice things up like so, and then next our highlighter. Wardrobe change. We're basically done, but of course we can't forget the antlers. I made this by myself, by the way. So this is the outro, basically, because we're done with the makeup. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, if you enjoy it, if you want to recreate it or something yada yada, please don't forget to subscribe, like, click the bell and share this video to your friends. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Sayonara and Merry Christmas! There's like black face paint everywhere and butthole mouth.